Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's celebrating autism, acceptance and inclusion, and that's being hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living. Okay, now we do have some co-hosts, so let me just go ahead and mention them, guys. So we have Tablescapes by Candy, also known as DIY Design by CCW. We also have Creations by Simone, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which is myself, and then we have Dalidzu Cheredi, and I hope I said her name correctly. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss what we have to say about autism. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, now moving on over to the video. I decided to do this tablescape in blue, and I also decided to use my nautical plates. I couldn't wait to use those, so I figured this would be the best time to start incorporating it. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I start decorating this table, and then I'll be back in the video. Now, autism or autism spectrum disorder refers to a broad range of conditions characterized by challenges with social skills, repetitive behaviors, speech, and nonverbal communication. According to the Center of Disease Control, autism affects an estimated of 1 in 36 children in the United States. Now we know that there is no one autism but many subtypes, most influenced by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Because autism is a spectrum disorder, each person with autism has a distinct set of strengths and challenges. Now, the ways in which people with autism learn, think, and problem solve can range from a highly skilled to severely challenged. Some people with ASD may require significant support in their daily lives, while others may need less support and, in some cases, live entirely independently. So now the key is always being informed and awareness. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can link a website below so that you can get more informed on what autism is. Okay guys, so we are going to talk about this tablescape. The navy blue tablecloth was a thrifted item. The white furry on top of the table is, I believe I purchased that at Five Below. You wouldn't even believe it. So the two chargers are from Dollar Tree, and then those nautical plates, I got that from Dollar General. That's pretty awesome. So now I have the white napkins, and the ties I got from the Dollar Tree. If you look at the back, in the Dollar Tree carries those wooden gnomes, and one of them was holding a butterfly. So I went ahead and I DIY'd that. I lit some candles, and I also did not forget our puzzle pieces. Okay, now that silver furry wrap I placed over the chair, that was a thrifted item, guys, and I'm taking it to go have it checked out because I believe that's a real fur. Now the glassware were thrifted items, and I believe I got that from the Salvation Army. So we lit the candles and we're almost getting ready to head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Allie from Decor Home and Lifestyle for hosting this collaboration because this hit very close to home. Now, I also want to thank the co-hosts for hosting in this collaboration. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.